Your gut health is incredibly important for your overall well being. If there are too many bad bacteria inside of your gut, it can dramatically decrease your overall health. Not only that, it can greatly decrease your longevity. That's why it's important that you take care of your gut health. In this article, we will go over what it is you can do to improve your gut health. How to improve gut health. Taking proper care of your gut is a great way to increase your chances of a long and healthy life. There are somewhere around 40 trillion bacteria in your body, most of which are in your intestines. Some of these bacteria are healthy for you, while others can contribute to diseases and illness. The main way to improve your gut health is through your diet. We will go further into detail regarding the specific gut health foods to eat and to avoid later in the article. For the time being, here are some ways you can improve your gut health. Practice a balanced diet. The more diverse your diet is, the more diverse your microbiota will be. A diverse microbiota is considered to be a healthy one. The more species of bacteria you have, the greater the number of health benefits they may be able to contribute to. Fruits and vegetables. Ever since you were a little kid, you've been taught the importance of fruits and vegetables. We're here to hammer it through your head once again. Fruits and vegetables are the best sources of nutrients for a healthy microbiota. Fermented foods. Fermented foods are foods altered by microbes. Don't eat too many artificial sweeteners. Artificial sweeteners can increase blood sugar and can impair insulin response. Breastfeed for at least 6 months. Recent research suggests that babies may be exposed to bacteria before birth. After birth, it's important that they are breastfed for at least 6 months. This will help increase the number of good bacteria. Breastfeeding is also associated with lower rates of allergies, obesity, and other diseases that may be due to differences in the gut microbiota. Recognizing the signs of a healthy gut can help you make sure everything is running smoothly. If you are experiencing healthy bowel movements and good overall health, chances are you're experiencing good gut health. What foods to heal your gut? As we mentioned earlier, the foods you eat will play the biggest part in determining how healthy or unhealthy your gut is. On top of making your gut healthy, there are foods that heal the gut if your gut is unhealthy. Here are some superfoods for gut health you can eat to support a healthy gut. Sauerkraut. This food is loaded with fiber, which can combat bloating and indigestion by keeping our digestive system running smoothly. Asparagus. Asparagus is high in indigestible fiber inulin, meaning it can feed healthy bacteria. It also contains antioxidants that combat inflammation. Pineapple. Pineapple is rich in bromelain, which can work as a digestive aid. Bromelain can reduce the secretion of pro-inflammatory cytokines that can damage the gut lining. Onion. Any type of onion can help, but raw onion specifically is great for gut health. Onions are a great source of prebiotics and contain quercetin, which helps fight damaging free radicals throughout the body. Garlic. Raw garlic is another excellent prebiotic food with high levels of inulin, which fuels the good bacteria in the gut. Bone broth. Bone broth helps heal the lining of the gut, which in turn supports immune system function and a healthy inflammatory response. Implementing these foods into your diet can help in numerous different ways. The benefits of these foods extend well beyond gut health. What foods to avoid for gut health? Just as important as the foods you eat are the foods that you don't eat. Knowing what foods to avoid can help you keep your gut health in order. Here are some of the foods that you should avoid when focusing on your gut health. Sugar. Research has shown that a high sugar diet leads to poorer overall function compared to a low sugar diet. Processed foods. Diets filled with processed food can lead to colitis and metabolic diseases. Soy. Soy can be healthy, but unfortunately much of today's soy goes through processing. A high soy diet can have damaging effects on your gut microbiome. Dairy. Studies have shown that dairy consumption changes the bacterial makeup of your gut within days, allowing strains linked to intestinal disease and inflammation to flourish. Eggs. Certain proteins in eggs encourages the growth of gut bacteria that produce a chemical compound that causes clotting, and thus raises the risk of heart attack and stroke. vegetables to avoid. 90% of all corn grown in the United States is genetically modified. We know that some of this food can be enjoyable. However, cutting it out of your diet can help tremendously. You can still enjoy these foods from time to time, but cut back on your consumption. What is the best supplement for gut health? Pairing a healthy and balanced diet with a healthy regimen of supplements can help tremendously. However, it should be noted that you shouldn't depend on supplements. Too many people think that they can take supplements instead of a healthy diet. That being said, here are some supplements that help with gut health: zinc, probiotics, prebiotic, fiber and butyrate, curcumin, berberine, L-glutamine. Again, you should take these supplements in tandem with a healthy diet. Do not think that supplements alone can replace a healthy diet. What kills good gut bacteria? As we have mentioned several times throughout the article, your diet is the most important thing when it comes to your gut health. If you notice any of the signs of an unhealthy gut, you should take steps in the right direction. Here are some of the signs of an unhealthy gut: upset stomach. Gas, bloating, constipation, diarrhea, and heartburn can all be signs of an unhealthy gut. Sleep disturbances or constant fatigue. An unhealthy gut may contribute to sleep disturbances such as insomnia or poor sleep, and therefore lead to chronic fatigue. Skin irritation. Conditions such as eczema can be caused by an unhealthy gut. Autoimmune conditions. Experts believe that an unhealthy gut can cause an autoimmune condition. Food intolerances. Research has shown food intolerances can be caused by the poor quality of bacteria in the gut. How to get rid of bad gut bacteria. No one is perfect. Poor lifestyle choices can lead to an unhealthy gut, but it's not the end of the world. You can get rid of bad gut bacteria. Here's how you can get rid of bad gut bacteria. Encourage your E. coli. Boost your bifido. Liven up your lactobacillus. Dysbiosis. Supplements can help. One supplement that can help encourage positive gut health is spermidine. This is because spermidine helps induce something called autophagy. This is the body's process of replacing old and potentially damaged cell parts with newer, healthier ones. Autophagy literally means self-eat. This process helps keep you feeling and looking young, while also dramatically lowering your chances of developing aging diseases such as Parkinson's and Alzheimer's. While it is possible to get your recommended daily intake of spermidine through your diet, it's recommended to take supplements so you ensure you get the right dose. Simply taking your supplements with your dinner is a great way to remember to take spermidine supplements every night.
Hey there, thanks for checking us out on YouTube. I'm Daniel from Longevity Labs. We want you to know that we put a lot of time and energy into bringing you the best available information on how to live a longer and a happier life. Follow us here on YouTube or your favorite social channel and stay up to date with what we're working on. Thank you again, and it'll be worth your time.